Hello bachcho, the question says here, in an electromagnetic spectrum, the frequency of a gamma ray, X-ray and ultraviolet ray is denoted by N1, N2 and N3 respectively. Then option A, N1 is greater than, N2 is greater than N3. Option B, N1 is less than, N2 is less than N3. Option C, N1 is greater than N2 and N2 is less than N3. ऑप्शन डी N1 इज लेस देन N2 इज ग्रेटर देन N3। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम है उसमें गैमा रेज दिया है, एक्स रेज दिया है, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज दिया है, उनका फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें कौन से अरेंजमेंट किया है वो पूछ रहा है, राइट। फॉर दिस यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द की कॉन्सेप्ट। द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम, that is here electromagnetic spectrum which is starting from gamma rays ending with the, so the starting with gamma rays are having a highest energy, so highest frequency, maximum frequency. F stands for frequency, which is a maximum here. Then you have a x-rays, x-rays के बाद आता है ultraviolet rays, then visible spectrum. After that you have infrared radiations, IR infrared radiations, and then microwaves. Microwaves के बाद लास्ट में आता है ending with the radio waves. So this order is a decreasing order of frequency. This order is a decreasing order और ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी। यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी का डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर से हमने अरेंज किया है electromagnetic waves में। So you have a maximum frequency, that is gamma rays. Then secondly, gamma rays are having a maximum frequency, and question में x-ray दिया है तो x-ray उसके बाद, and at last the least frequency is for the ultraviolet rays, that is UV rays. So N1 gamma rays के लिए N1 दिया है, X rays के लिए N2 दिया है, and this is N3. Obviously N1 is greater than N2 is greater than N3. The correct choice is option A. तो correct choice आपका option A है. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.